Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to do some walnut laminate carving. When it comes to custom carving, the options that we can offer are pretty much unlimited. In this case here, it's a piece of walnut, as you can see, and it's laminated because it has a few strips on here that are glued together, but it's still solid wood and still solid walnut. And on the front of it, we did carving using the router behind me. So there's the router. A little bit of a mess still, but that's the way it is. So the depth we went on this is 1/4 inch deep. So the reason for that is because, as you can see, resin. So the customer is going to be putting resin inside of all of this and then sanding it flush. It should look just totally amazing once they're done. Now for the bit we used a 1/8 bit. And if you know anything about 1/8 bits, is that they're incredibly slow when it comes to pocketing. So when you look at this video coming up of the carving of this, it happens really, really fast, but there's no way that it ever happens actually in real life. You see the results of the sign looks like just totally amazing. I love it. Now originally the customer wanted this to be done with the laser, but the laser starts to lose its power, so to speak, the denser the wood is. In this case here, it's really solid walnut. So that means whenever we're doing a pass over it, we're maybe taking off 1/16. If we're lucky, a little bit more material off the surface of it. While with the CNC router, we're going directly into the 1/4 inch and carving it out. Now, you might say, well, you lose a lot of resolution because you use a 1/8 bit to go to 1/4 inch deep. And that is true. The laser is a lot thinner, so you get a lot of higher resolution. But it's so slow, I'd probably have a beard by the time I was done doing the same work that you saw our CNC router do here. Now, the other advantage to having a CNC router is that we can do stuff that the laser can't. In this case here, it's a custom cutting board using, again, laminated walnut. And if you look inside of it, you can see this is where all the juices go for the meat, or if you have really juicy vegetables. And you can see here, maybe with the shadow, you see that it's not a straight cut like the sign was. It's actually a beveled cut. So for this here, we use a ball nose, and a ball nose is basically a ball like this, the bit at the end of it, while with the sign we used a straight bit, which is just basically a line like this. course, for the customer, we've done some other customization to this that I won't show in the video, but we can also do mix and match. So in this case here, the cutting board was branded with the customer information as well. And what happened with that is that we did the stuff with the router, we use that as our reference, and then we use that for the laser, we do the branding. Now we can mix and match, which is awesome because we get the benefits of both machines without being stuck to using only one specific machine. So if you're looking for custom woodwork, contact me at CNCKing.com. We can cover you flattening all the way through to the finished product.